Till now, listen to me. We have done normal differentiation. We have done product rule. We have done quotient rule. Correct? Now tell me, what is differentiation of sin x? Whoever remembers. Differentiation of sin x.
minus cos x.
Cos x.
Only cos x,
Only
correct?
cos x.
Yes.
Only cos x. And what is differentiation of log x?
1 upon x.
1 upon x.
Very good. What is differentiation of e power x?
E power x.
E power x.
Excellent. What is differentiation? My screen has gone, right? Or it's there?
Yes.
It's there.
It's stuck.
Stuck, I think. It's stuck. Okay. What is differentiation of cos x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x.
Sin x.
Minus
Differentiation
sin
of
x.
cos x is minus sin x. Okay, very good. One minute. Is it coming now?
No, sir.
I think now it should come. Just check.
Yes, sir, now it's coming.
Now differentiation of e power x is e power x itself, correct? Now differentiation of cos x is minus sin.
Minus sin.
And we have done differentiation of constant is equal to 0 and so on and so forth. Now let me take you one step further. Then we have done product rule also. Remember, we have done product rule also. What is our product rule? Integration of AB is AB dash plus BA dash. Then
Yes.
we have done quotient rule also. Denominator square. In the denominator, numerator is denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. We have done many problems based on that. Now listen to advanced differentiation. Advanced differentiation means, listen to this. What if you're told to differentiate sine 2x? What if you're told to differentiate sine 2x? Okay, now you know, listen to this. From today onwards, you have to look at like this. It is differentiation of sine something. It is differentiation of sine something. Correct? So what is differentiation of sine something? Can I say cos something? Can I
Yes.
say differentiation of sine something is cos something into differentiation of that something also you have to do. That means, listen to me. Differentiation of sine 2x is cos 2x into what is differentiation of 2x? 2. This thing, what is differentiation of 2x? 2.
Yes. Right.
Therefore, differentiation of sine 2x is 2 cos 2x. Till now, we just did sine x. Till now, whatever problems of differentiation we have done, just think of it. I have only given you x, e power x, log x, sine x, cos x. Just check. But what if something like this comes? Listen to this. Differentiation of anything is differentiation of that something into differentiation of that something into differentiation of that something. For example, please look at the screen again. What is, look at this. See this question. What is the differentiation of log of sine of 2x? Now what we have to do, please look at the screen. Can I say this is differentiation of log something?
Yes.
So can I say differentiation of log something is 1 upon that something?
Yes.
What is that something now?
Sine 2x.
Correct? Into, now, can I say inside this square, it is differentiation of sine something? It is differentiation of sine something. So can I say it will be cos of something? What is that something?
2x.
2x.
2x. Into differentiation of that something. 2x. What is differentiation of 2x?
2.
2. Therefore, my answer will be 2 cos 2x into 1 by sine 2x. So to go on differentiating inside. Got it? So to go on differentiating inside. Now let me tell you one thing. Tell me what is differentiation of e power log x. Try now with this logic. What is e power log x?
Sir, log x. E power log x, right?
E power log x is the question. What is differentiation of e power log x?
E power 1 upon x.
No, I tell you why. E power something. Differentiation is e power something only into differentiation of that something. Now, e power something will be e power log x itself. Into differentiation of log x will be 1 by x. Therefore, answer is 1 by x e power log x.
Okay.
Okay. You might not have understood any problem. It is
Yes.
fine. You will have to go and understand deeper and deeper. Now, listen to this. Shall we start one more? Try it, okay? Log of cos x. Differentiation of log of cos x.
One upon something into sin x.
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x.
Try to answer. Correct, Nikhil. Very good. Okay, listen. Listen, look at this. Log of something is 1 upon something. So now tell me, what is 1 upon something? 1 upon
Cos
cos
x.
x into differentiation of that something. Now, what is differentiation of cos x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Therefore, can I say my answer is minus sin x upon cos x? Therefore, my answer will be minus tan x. Actually, not necessary. If you leave it here also, it is correct. But if you know trigonometry, you know that sin x by cos x is tan x. Correct. If you know trigonometry, you know that sin x by cos x is tan x.
Okay, sir, got it.
Start.
Sir, E power log x sin x into cos x upon x.
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, see here. It is e power something. Therefore, differentiation of e power something is e power the same thing. What is that thing?
Log x sin x.
Log of sin x.
Log of sin x.
Into, look at this, into, can I say it is log of something? Can I say it is into
1 upon
log
sin
of something? Log of something is 1 upon something. What is that something this time?
Sin
Sin
x.
x.
Sin x. Into differentiation of that something.
Cos x.
Cos x. Very good. Therefore, my final answer is e power log of sin x into cos x upon sin x. Easy.
Yes.
For this, you need to know basic differentiation. Okay, that we did in the first class. You need to know that differentiation. And there is differentiation of other terms as well, like differentiation of tan, cosecant, secant, cot, which is there in a fundamental module. I tell you, I'm just playing with few. You have to play with all. Okay.
Sir,
One more.
Sir, have you shown the rule for solving this type? Like you have given question rule or product rule. That
No. What is it, Samarth? You want one more example or you want explanation for the previous one?
no, sir. I came late 10 minutes. Sorry, sir. So, sir, I wanted to know what was the first which part was the rule
Today's
which you
class.
gave. Yeah, the rule which was done.
So today's class we did all these problems. Just check. We did sine of 2x. Just check everyone again. Now check. Don't solve it. Just look at the screen. Tell me if you're understanding what is the answer. So Samar, just say first question was sine 2x. That is sine something. Differentiation of sine something is cos something into something. Into differentiation of that something. This was the first question. This was the second question. Log of sine 2x. That means 1 by sine 2x.
So the screen has
Screen has
paused.
gone up. Yeah, okay. I will come back to it. Okay, it's still loading. In the meantime, till it loads. Now the same problem, if it comes in product rule, quotient rule, you will be able to solve. Same problem if it comes in product rule, same problem if it comes in quotient rule, will you be able to solve? I hope all of you remember product rule and quotient rule, correct?
Yes.
Now, I will directly start with module exercises so that if you have any doubt, I can tell you in that problem itself. Or you need to solve more examples like this where I can show you what do we do. Tell me.
More examples.
Can I give a big one? Can you try? Look at this.
Okay.
D by dx. Look at this. Log of sine of cos of e power x. Understood? Log of sine of cos of e power x. Now tell me, we cannot apply product rule. Listen to this, because there is only one x term. Otherwise, I could do log x into sin x. You know how to do log x into sin x product rule. It is not log x into sin x. It is log of sine of cos of e power x. That means we have to go on differentiating, and then get the answer. So now think about it and tell me what should be the answer. Okay, now listen to the answers here. This is log of something here. This is log of something. Therefore, can I say it will be 1 upon something? What is that something? What is that something?
Sin
Sine-
x
sine
plus
x.
x to x.
Of cos x
It is
of
not sin x. Please remember, it is sine of
Sin of
cos of e power x into. See here, can I say it is sine of something? It is sine of
Yes,
something.
sir.
Therefore, can I say sine of something will be that cos of the same thing
yes,
into cos of something will be minus sine of something
yes,
into
ex, e power
this
x.
is yes. If you have got this answer correct without me doing it, then you have understood this. If you're still having problems, no problem, because I've given you the lengthiest problem. You have to, we'll do it. Okay, we'll do it. Try to understand the gist of it. 1 minute. Okay. Nikhil, you can. But doesn't matter when the problem comes. I give you very difficult one. But actually, it's not difficult. For you right now, it is difficult. Shall we start one more? Now I'll give you example on product rule. I'll give you example on product rule. Okay. Now see this. Differentiate log 2x into e power 2x. Differentiate log 2x into e power 2x. Anyone? Okay, Nikhil, very good. Others?
Shall I type the answer or I have to just send them?
Don't give me the answer, just tell me done or not. Because it will be a huge answer. Don't go to type that in the message box. Okay, now I will show it to you on the screen. Tell me if you're getting the same answer. Okay. See here. So can I say this is of the form differentiation of A into B? And what is our answer for differentiation of A into B? It is A into B dash plus B into A dash, where dash indicates differentiation. So first term as it is log of 2x into differentiation of the second term. Listen to this, integration of, into differentiation of the second term. Differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x into 2. I hope you understood how. E power something is e power something into differentiation of that something is 2x is 2 plus second term as it is e power 2x. Differentiation of log 2x is 1 upon 2x into 2. This is the first step we should get. If you want to simplify, you can cancel these 2. Okay. Then you can take e power 2x common. Then you get 2 log 2x plus 1 upon x. Or even if you get this answer, I am okay with it. Tell me if you're getting this answer or not.
Sir, why we multiply with 2?
Where?
Sir, like the 2, because e power
See,
2x
e
is
power something. See, e power something is e power something into differentiation of 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2. That is why I'm multiplying.
okay, sir. Okay.
Similarly over here, log of something is 1 upon something into differentiation of 2x is 2.
Okay, sir. No, okay. So, sir, if it was e power x, then it would be e power x into 1 and we don't write 1.
It would be e power x into 1, correct? If it was
Okay,
only e
sir.
power x.
Okay, sir.
Getting it, all of you? Very good. This thing will be the easiest thing in your 12th standard. Now you might find it little uphill, but it's nothing, okay? It is as good as difficult problems are called pasta. Simple problems are called bhel puri, sukhi puri, sev puri. Okay, so you have to decide which dish is this. Okay. Everyone likes pani puri over here? Pani puri? Yes, everyone likes. Very good. Okay, good. Okay. So just like pani puri, we will have to mix and match. Tikha meetha mix we will do. Because if I keep only tikha, all will run away. If I keep only meetha, it's so easy. So I'll keep it easy. Before that, tell me if you can solve this problem, okay? If you can solve this problem, dx. Keep not a class out and try to understand however you can. Okay? This is my second class of differentiation. That is why you might find it a little bit more tougher. And people who have attended my first class of differentiation, you should understand what's happening. Okay, whether you can get this. One minute, my stylus is. Yeah. It is product rule, but it is little more advanced than product rule. Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. So this is of the form A into B, correct? Therefore, what is differentiation of A into B? That is A into B dash plus B into A dash, correct? Therefore, now tell me, what is the first term? First term as it is. Now, what is differentiation of sine something? Differentiation of sine something is cos something into. Did you understand what I did?
Yes, sir.
Because differentiation of sine something is cos something into differentiation of that something, that x square will become 2x into differentiation of that something will become 2x plus sine x square as it is, sine x square as it is, plus what is differentiation of x square? Not plus, it is into, sorry. Plus sine x square as it is into differentiation of x square is 2x. This is the answer. If you want, you can take 2x outside. but that is fine. This will be your actual answer applying product rule. This will be your actual answer applying product rule. Clear? Yeah. Okay. Do you want more examples or shall we start from the module? Tell me.
Sir, one more.
One more. One more. Okay. One. Okay, time out. Now, e power something. Differentiation is e power that something itself. What is that something? E power x square itself into differentiation of x square. Therefore, my answer is e power x square into 2x. Tell me how many of you got this answer as the right answer? How many of you got this answer as the right answer? This is e power x square into 2x. Okay, perfect. Now, open your module if you have your module. Okay, switch on your camera also. All of you. Now, in your module, I'll tell you what you need to practice on your own. Okay, I'll tell you what you need to practice in basic mathematics. Look at page number 5. Look at page number 5 in your module. Okay, actually it starts from page number 4. Can you see the side heading? Some important trigonometric formulae on page number 4. It continues on page number 5. Whoever has the module, just check. Soft copy, I think, is given in the group. On page number 4 in the PDF, you have the side heading, some important trigonometric formulae. Check. You have the side heading, some important trigonometric formulae.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes,
So
sir.
in that, I have A, B, and C. Just check.
Correct.
That is addition and subtraction formula is B and multiple formula. I want you to write it twice as your homework and practice. You should know the answer also. This will help you in both physics and math. Got it? That is your first homework. Second homework. Can you see trigonometric ratios and allied angles? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All you should be able to do it. Again, this is all silver teacups. This is your homework, but this you have to write it only once. Okay. Come to page number 1. Come to page number 1. In page number 1, you have some common formula. See 8 common formula. Check. A plus B the whole square, A plus B plus C the whole square, and all that. Just check. That also
Yes.
I want you to write it twice. Means learn it and write it, because this in physics, all this formula will help you a lot. Okay, so the elementary algebra formula, page number 5 formula, page number 4 formula. Now, Let us start with, come to page number 15. Come to page number 15. Come to page number 15. Came to page number 15. In that, see derivatives of some important functions. Can you see that side heading? Derivatives of some important functions. Page number 15.
Sir.
In that, here, first one, do you know differentiation of sine x is cos x? You already know it. Then differentiation of cos x is minus sine x. That also you know. Like that, see differentiation of tan x, cot x, secant x, and cosecant x. You have to make a note. Direct formula. Okay, I have taught you sine x, cos x. You have to do tan x, cot x, secant x, and cosecant x. Okay.
So we don't have to do that sin u cos u now.
No, it is same. That is sine of something. What I said, sine of something is cos of something into differentiation of that something. That is what they have written. You don't need to do that. You just need to know the main formula. Now, we will start with the problems. All the problems again that I'm doing from now till the end of the class will be all from your modules. So indirectly, we are doing your modules only. Okay. Now, why module is good or why module is important is I can give you my own problems, but they are just for practice. Module, the problem that they have given, illustration plus book back, all have either come in some exam or the other. That means indirectly, when you're doing module problems, you're doing exam problems only, so that you come to know exactly how it is asked in the exam. Okay. So now we'll solve module problems. I will tell you what they have asked and we will do it together. Okay. I want all of you to do it along with me. So
Okay, sir.
we will start. I will also do it. You also do it. They have said if y is equal to cube root of 2x plus 1, what is dy by dx? Means what is differentiation of cube root of 2x plus 1? Okay, simple. Now tell me, cube root of 2x plus 1, how will you do? I will leave it to you. Don't look at the answer in the module. Try to do it on your own. Cube root of 2x plus 1, how can you solve? Think about it. And then we will discuss the answers. I'll give you one more minute. If you are done, just write that. Then I will. Okay, stop. Now let me do. Stop. Now let me do. Now, first thing, cube root of 2x plus 1, cube root of 2x plus 1 can be written as 2x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3. Correct? Because cube root can be written as something power 1 by 3. Now, do you know this formula for differentiation of x power n? Tell me, what is the formula for differentiation of x power n? You know n into x power n minus 1. Do you know this formula?
Yes.
N into x power n minus 1. Therefore, tell me. So this is something power n. What is something power n differentiation formula? 1 by 3. Something power 1 by 3 minus 1. Listen to this. Into differentiation of that something. Listen to me again. This is like something power n. Correct? The question is what? The question is of the form something power n. Look at the screen, then start writing. The question is something power n. Therefore, answer will be n into something power n minus 1 into differentiation of that something. Now, if I go to fill it, tell me if you're understanding it. 1 by 3, 2x plus 1 into 1 by 3 minus 1 into differentiation of 2x plus 1 is only 2. Tell me if you have understood. Because differentiation of 2x is 2 and differentiation of 1 is 0. Therefore, can I write 1 by 3 into 2x plus 1? What is 1 by 3 minus 1? What is 1 by 3 minus 1? Minus 2 by 3 into 2. Therefore, can I say my final answer is 2 by 3 into 2x plus 1 minus 2 by 3. That is the answer in the module also. But tell me, did you understand this?
No.
I will repeat once more. It is x power n or something power n. Something power n means n into something power n minus 1 into differentiation of that something. Now, differentiation of 2x plus 1, I hope everyone knows how to do differentiation of 2x plus 1. Differentiation of 2x plus 1 is 2 plus 0 equal to 2.
Yes, yes.
Therefore, this is your final answer. Now that you should get. Now tell me, are you getting this answer? Yes.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it?
Yes.
Easy question. Next one, illustration 12. Look at the question. If y is equal to x power 5, what is dy by dx? Means what is differentiation of x power 5? Start. It should be like an oral question for you.
Done.
Nikhil correct. Others right answer. Lavnish correct. Samarth correct. Rashmi correct. Samarth correct. Krish correct. Now can I say differentiation of x power 5 is 5 into x power 4 directly? That is what x power n. X power n is n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. Can I say this is correct? So can I say answer is 5 into x power 4 itself? All correct? Now, next question. If y is equal to 3x square plus 2x, what is dy by dx? Start. Differentiate 3x square plus 2x. Okay, answer will be, look at this. 3 as it is. Now differentiation of x square is 2x
Yes.
plus 2 is a constant. Differentiation of x is 1. Therefore, my answer is 6x plus 2.
Yes. Right.
Getting all of you? Any doubt? I have done both the problems. One is illustration 12. This is illustration 12. And this is illustration 13. Got it all of you? Okay, very good. Now, find dy by dx. Y is equal to 4x power 4 plus 2x power 3 plus 5 by x plus 9. Start. Now I'll do it on the screen. Tell me if you're getting it. Okay. Now, first things first, I will write this as y is equal to 4x power 4 plus 2x power 3 plus 5x power minus 1 plus 9. So 5 by x, I wrote it as 5x power minus 1, correct? 5 by x, I wrote it as 5x power minus 1. Now start differentiating. Therefore, if I do dy by dx, can I say 4 is a constant as it is? And differentiation of x power 4 will be 4x cube. I'm writing it directly, I hope you understand. Plus 2 as it is. Differentiation of x cube will be 3x square. Differentiation of x cube will be 3x square plus 5 as it is. Differentiation of x power minus 1. Now here many people make a mistake. So what is x power n? X power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1. Okay, or if you are not understanding, plus 5 as it is. What is x power minus 1? Now x power minus 1 is x power n formula. What is x power n formula? N into x power n minus 1, correct? Now over here, what
Yes.
is n? N is minus 1. Therefore, can I say x into something missing?
Sir, -1, right?
Minus
Something
x.
missing. What is missing?
Sir,
Minus x.
-1,
Oh, correct.
minus x.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what is x power n? N into x power n minus 1. Here n is minus 1. Therefore, can I say it should be like this?
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
this will become minus x power minus 1 power minus 1 that I will substitute. Plus differentiation of a constant, can I say it is 0? Plus
Yes.
differentiation of
Yes,
a
sir.
constant, can I say it is 0? Continue. Therefore, can I say dy by dx is equal to
16x.
4 into 4, 16x cube plus 3 into 2, 6x square
Square.
minus 5x power minus 2
Plus 3. Yes.
plus 0, correct? But that's infinite. Therefore, if your answer is exactly coming like this, that means you have understood how to solve this. This is the exact answer. Yeah.
Yes.
Got it, everyone? Can I go to the next one now?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. They have said very easy problem. Y is equal to 1 by x power 10. Find dy by dx. Start. Find dy by x. Second more, then I will show it on the screen. 30-second more, then I will show it on the screen. So start, okay? Now, I can write y is equal to x power minus 10. I can write y is equal to x power minus 10, correct? Therefore, now this is of the form x power n. Here n is what? Minus 10. So I know x power n is n into x power n minus 1. But in this case, what is my n? In this case, my n is 10. Therefore, instead of n, I will put minus 10. My n is minus 10, correct? Therefore, here also I'll put minus 10. Here also I'll put minus 10. Therefore, my answer will be minus 10 x power minus 11. Or minus 10 divided by x power 11. Both are right. Even if you have got this answer or this answer, both will be considered correct. So when this answer is correct and this answer is correct. Is it clear? Next question. If y is equal to 1 by root x, what is dy by dx equal to? Start. If y is equal to 1 by 2 power x, if y is equal to 1 by 2 power x, sorry, 1 by root x, what is dy by dx? Okay, listen. Okay, some more time. Okay, take some more time, then I will start. Let's start. Okay, now see here. It is 1 by root x. So the first thing I will do is I will write it as y is equal to 1 divided by x power half. Can I write root x as x power half? Now x power half can be written as x power minus half. 1 by x power half can be written as x power minus half. Now again it is of the form x power n. It is of the form x power n. What is x power n formula? X power n formula is n into x power n minus 1. Now in this case, what is n equal to? N is equal to minus half. So wherever n is there, I will substitute it as minus half. Here also I will substitute it as minus half. Therefore, my answer will be minus half x power minus half minus 1. Therefore, what will be your answer? It will be minus half x power minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 minus 2 by 2 will be minus 3 by 2. I will leave it like this. We can further simplify it, but no need. We will give the answer like this. Tell me, are you getting this answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will keep it on for some time. Okay. Now, next problem. They have said y is equal to x square plus 5x power 3 by 2 plus 2 by x. Start. Y is equal to x square plus 5x power 3 by 2 plus 2 by x. Start solving. Come on, I've got answers from 6 people. I want answers from all of you. I've got answers from 6 people. I want answers from all of you. I start. Some people are still working it out. Okay, work it out. Okay, now y is equal to x square plus 5x power 3 by 2 plus 2 by x. Okay, now dy by dx I have to find out. Now, before I start dy by dx, let me simplify y itself. Let me simplify y itself. Okay, so see this. Y is equal to x square plus 5x power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x power minus 1. Okay, therefore, y is equal to, now I will take dy by dx. I'll take the differentiation. Now, can I say differentiation of x square is 2x? Can I say differentiation of x square is 2x plus 5 as it is? Now, x power 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1. X power n is n into x power n minus 1 plus 2 as it is. X power minus 1 is same as x power n, n into x power n minus 1. If you have got this step right, your next step also will be right. So let us do the next step also. Therefore, I will get dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 5 3s are 15 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 by 2. Can I write it as 1 by 2? Plus 2 into minus 1, can I say it is minus 2 x power minus 2. Therefore, can I say this is my entire step? Getting this? Now, x power half can be written as root x also. X power minus 2 can be taken to the denominator also. All that permutation combination you can do. But this should be your basic step. Tell me, are you getting this much?
Yes.
Easy? Okay, good. Now, I'll show you one problem. They have said, what is differentiation of cos square x? They have said differentiation of cos square x. And I have to find dy by dx. I have to find dy by dx equal to how much? Now, please look at the screen. Now, it is cos square x. Y is equal to cos square x. Now, if you know trigonometry, what I told you to study, cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. You should know this. I'm assuming you have not yet come to this. You might have studied it in high school also, that cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Therefore, if the question was, what is dy by dx? Now, if y is 1 plus cos 2x by 2, can you differentiate and tell me what is dy by dx? Actually, question was not this. Actually, question was cos square x. But I am only telling you cos square x, you take it as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Now try to differentiate this and tell me the answer. What do you get? 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, let us start. Now, let us do y itself again. Okay, so we will first simplify y. Can I say y can be written as half into 1 plus cos 2x? Can I write it like this? 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is half. Or if you're getting a doubt, can I write it as half plus cos 2x by 2? Can I write it like this? Now differentiate this. Now can I say differentiation of half will be 0? Can I say differentiation of half will be 0? And differentiation of cos 2x by 2, in that half is a constant, take it out. What is differentiation of cos 2x? Can I say differentiation of cos 2x is minus sine 2x into 2? Because differentiation of cos something is minus sine something into differentiation of that something. Therefore, then can I say 2 and 2 will cancel and I am left with only minus sine 2x. Should I do it once more? Let me know. Answer is minus sine 2x. Because differentiation of cos something is minus sine something again into differentiation of something. Differentiation of cos something is minus sine something into differentiation of that something. Should I do it again or you got it? Answer is minus sine 2x.
Sir, understood.
Okay. Next problems are based on product rule. If you want, you can apply product rule or you can apply any other rule that you want. The question is y is equal to 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 1. What is dy by dx? Start. Anyone got the answer? Please let me know you got the answer. Otherwise, I will do it. Okay, let us start. Do you want me to open the bracket or do you want me to directly apply product rule? Let me start with
Directly.
that. Directly apply product rule. Okay, now please look at the screen. If I apply product rule, this will become A and this will become B. Okay. Now, what is my formula? First term into differentiation of second term plus second term into differentiation of first term. Therefore, first term as it is 3x plus 2 into differentiation of 2x minus 1. What is differentiation of 2x minus 1? Can I say that will
2.
only be 2
2.
Yes.
plus 2x minus 1 as it is. What is differentiation of 3x plus 2?
3.
I can leave the answer like this. No need to open the bracket. Tell me if you're getting this answer as the right answer.
Sir, yes, I am getting this answer.
Okay, good. Second approach is you can open the bracket and you can differentiate individually. Then the product rule will go away. Then there is no need to use product rule. Then you have to differentiate each term separately. Okay. Next problem. No problem. If you can expand the answer further, no problem. But I'm not expanding because it depends on the options, right? Now, next one. Find dy by dx. I'm starting. Okay, now look at this. This term I will take it as A, and this term I will take it as B. And you know my differentiation is A B dash plus B A dash. Therefore, first term as it is. What is the first term? 2x cube plus 3 as it is. 2x cube plus 3 as it is. Now, what is differentiation of the second term? 2x power minus 3 plus 1. So, can I say 2 as it is? Differentiation of x power minus 3 will be minus 3x power minus 4. I hope you understood how. Plus second term as it is, 2x power minus 3 plus 1 into differentiation of the first term, 2 as it is. Differentiation of x cube will be 3x square plus 0. Therefore, my answer will be 2x cube plus 3 into 3 into minus 2 or 2 into minus 3 is minus 6x power minus 4 plus 2x power minus 3 plus 1 into 6x square. If you're getting this answer, I am happy with it. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, take down the next one. Start. X log x. Start. Okay, now listen to this. Everyone listen. I have x log x. Okay, so this term will be a and this term will be b. Therefore, I know dy by dx will be a b dash plus b a dash. A as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. X and x cancels. Therefore, my answer will be 1 plus log x. The answer 1 plus log x.
Yes, sir.
Next question. E power x log x. E power x log x. E power x log x. Okay. I will start. Look at this. This term will be a and this term will be b. Correct? So what will be the formula? First term into differentiation of second term plus second term into differentiation of first term. Correct? Now, what is first term? E power x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus second term as it is into differentiation of first term is e power x itself. Therefore, e power x, if you want, you can take it as common. I'll get 1 by x plus log x. Even if you don't take it common, even if you get this answer, it is fine. Good? Getting it? Next problem. Start. Second more, then I will do it on the screen. Okay, time up. Now listen to this. This is the last problem on product. Then we'll go to quotient. Okay. Now look at this. This will be A, and this will be B. Correct? This will be A, and this will be B. Now, first term as it is. So that is A B dash plus B A dash. Correct? So first term as it is e power 4x. Now what is differentiation of sine 2x? Differentiation of sine 2x is cos 2x into 2. Because you have to again do sine something is cos something into differentiation of something. Plus second term as it is, that is sine 2x as it is. And what is differentiation of e power 4x? Differentiation of e power 4x is e power 4x into 4. Because e power something into differentiation of that something is 4. Therefore, my answer will be 2 into e power 4x cos 2x plus 4 e power 4x sine 2x. I can again take something common and simplify, but not necessary. If you're getting this answer, it's fine. Getting it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. Okay, now listen. Look at me, look at me. Now you know differentiation of suppose A by B. So what is it? Denominator square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. This formula you know, correct? All of you for quotient rule.
Yes.
Denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Using that formula or using that concept, try to solve. Y is equal to start. Okay, now please look at the screen. Everyone, please look at the screen. I will do one problem like this so that you can understand the remaining problems. Okay, please look at the screen. So now dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to, now see this, denominator square. So when I say denominator square is x plus 1 the whole square. Easy. Then on the top, it is denominator, that is x plus 1 into differentiation of numerator. Now, what is differentiation of x squared plus 1? Differentiation of x squared plus 1, can I say is 2x?
Yes.
Minus x squared plus 1 as it is, the a term as it is. And differentiation of the denominator, can I say x plus 1? Answer is only 1.
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, this is the answer I was looking for. You can simplify further, but I am not looking at that. I am looking only at this answer. Tell me, are you getting this answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try this. Start. Remember, we are solving each and every problem from the module. We are going in line. If you have the module, you can check it out. Okay, start. Okay, time up. Now see how I solve it. See how I solve it. Everyone look at the screen. So it is denominator square. So denominator square will be 3x minus 4 the whole square. That is denominator square. Now denominator term as it is 3x minus 4 into differentiation of numerator. Differentiation of x square plus 2x will be 2x plus 2. Tell me whether you have understood this. It will be 2x plus 2 minus numerator as it is x square plus 2x into differentiation of denominator 3x minus 4. Can I say
Three.
differentiation of 3x minus 4
Yes.
will be 3 itself? That's it. This is what I wanted to do. Got this much?
Yes.
Make a note. I leave it on for 30 seconds. Then we go to the next one. Start. Okay. Now, shall I start? So now denominator square. Therefore, denominator square will be x plus cos x the whole square. And denominator term as it is, that is x plus cos x, into differentiation of sin x, that is cos x, minus sin x as it is, into differentiation of x plus cos x will be 1 minus sin x. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. This is your answer. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Next type of questions. They have given 4 questions together. I want you to solve all 4 together. Can you do that? The question is find dy by dx. First question is y is equal to 4. Second question is y is equal to 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5. Third question is y is equal to x square plus 1 into x cube plus 3. And the fourth question is equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. So there are 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find dy by dx in each case. Start.
Done, sir.
All 4 done.
Sir, wait.
Done, sir.
Done. Finally, answer for the first one is what?
0.
Answer for the first one is 0 because differentiation of a constant is 0. Therefore, can I say the first one answer is 0 because differentiation of a constant is 0. With that, can I say I can eliminate the first one? Everyone got the answer as 0. I can eliminate the first one. Now, second one, I am directly writing the answer. Tell me if it's right. Okay. Can I do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second one eliminated. Okay, very good. Second one I will eliminate. Third one. This term I will take it as A and this term I will take it as B. Again, I'm doing it directly. Tell me if you understand. First one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting it? This is product rule, direct
Yes.
application of product rule. Okay. Therefore, this also I can take it out. Now the last one. It is x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. It is x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. What I will do is, same formula, denominator square. So what is denominator square?
X square plus 1.
X square plus 1 the whole square. Now, on the top, denominator into differentiation of numerator. Denominator into differentiation of numerator. Minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Over, check.
Yes, sir.
Got it, all of you? Last problem for today. And the problem is, do it properly, okay? Start. Find dy by dx.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. I will do it. And you tell me whether it is correct or not. Now, dy by dx, I will take it as before that, I will take y only equal to x square plus 1 whole power half. Correct? X square plus 1 whole power half. Can I take it like this?
Yes.
Now, dy by dx will be x power n is n into x power n minus 1, or differentiation of something power n is n into something power n minus 1 into differentiation of that something, can I say is 2x, into differentiation of x square plus 1, can I say is 2x. Inside the bracket over here will be x square plus 1 itself. Now tell me what will be our answer. So I will have dy by dx is equal to half into x square plus 1, half power, half minus 1 is minus half, half minus 1 is minus half into 2x. I can say 2 and 2 can cancel, but even if you don't do that, I'm okay. This is the answer. You can bring it to the denominator, you can take it half, but in general, this is the answer. Tell me, are you okay with this kind of question?
Sir, can you tell again?
Yes, sir.
Someone asked something, what is it?
Can you tell, means solve this sum
Can I solve this sum further? Or again, I have to solve this sum?
again?
Again, okay. So can I say I can write what is given as x square plus 1 whole power half? Can I write it like this? Whatever is
Yes.
given. Can I write it as x square plus 1 whole power half? Now, if I differentiate dy by dx, something power n is n into something power n minus 1 into differentiation of that something. Now,
Yes,
what is
yes.
differentiation of x square plus 1? 2x.
2x,
And
right.
what is inside over here? X square
X
plus
square
1.
plus 1. Okay, okay.
Therefore, I will get half.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. With that, we complete our differentiation. next class, I will start with integration. Just when you think one topic is over, there are infinite topics. Okay, it's like that. Going on. But it's good differentiation. I hope you understood. It is very, very easy.
Yes.
And we have done little advanced level. We have done product rule. We have done quotient rule. We have done normal. We have done exercise. We have done other illustrative examples also. So with that, we stop our differentiation. Next class, I will start with integration. And after that, we will continue with vectors. Keep practicing scalar product, keep practicing vector product, and be ready for the exam also on foundation physics. Whatever I teach, that will be there in the question for the exam. Okay. Ruchit, I want you to stop recording and I want you to give this right now to Pritesh sir. Okay. Write the name of the module, Foundation Physics IIT, and write the date today. Today's date is what? 15 June. Mid-month, mid-year. Ruchit, are you there? Stepped off. Ruchit, hello, good morning. Good afternoon. I will tell you title, how it will be taken. Okay, don't worry. I'll tell you. Can anyone wake up, Ruchit? Ruchit, are you there? Ruchit. Knock, knock. Ruchit. We'll all call him, Ruchit. Can all of you call him?
Okay.
Unmute and say Ruchit, Ruchit, Ruchit.
Ruchit.
Hey, Ruchit.
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 Hello, hello,
Ruchit.
hello.
Hello, Ruchit.
Hello.
There he is there now.
Ruchit, yes. Did you hear what I said? Stop the recording. Give it right now to Pritesh sir.